U.S. giant drones in action. Trump could launch this against Maduro. Did you know that the United States has drones the size of commercial airliners flying over Venezuela right now, capable of seeing a cell phone from 18,000 meters high? And that these same drones have already sunk at least 20 boats, killing 76 people in Venezuelan waters? In this video, we reveal everything about the giant drones that Trump is deploying in the Caribbean. Machines that cost up to $75 million each, and that could change Venezuela's fate in a matter of hours. The first player in this story is the MQ-9 Reaper, whose name means Reaper or Soul Harvester. That's no exaggeration. This drone has been the protagonist of some of the most controversial military operations of the last 2 decades, from Afghanistan to Yemen, and now it's operating in the Caribbean with a clear objective: Venezuela. The MQ-9 Reaper was first photographed in Puerto Rico on September 4, 2025, at Rafael Hernandez Airport, Aguadilla. The images left no room for doubt. The drone was fully armed with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, the same air-to-ground projectiles that have destroyed thousands of targets in the Middle East. Days later, satellite images confirmed the presence of at least 2 Reapers at the base, along with 10 fifth-generation F-35 fighter jets. The MQ-9 Reaper is an impressive technological marvel. With a wingspan of 18 meters, similar to a small commercial airliner, it can fly for more. It can fly for 27 consecutive hours without refueling. It reaches altitudes of 15,000 meters, high enough to be invisible and silent from the ground. Its cameras and sensors can track targets hundreds of kilometers away, reading vehicle license plates or identifying individual faces from the sky. But what truly makes it lethal is its firepower. Each Reaper can carry up to 1,800 kilograms of weaponry, including 4 Hellfire missiles and 2 GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs. The Hellfires have a range of 5 miles and can penetrate heavy armor. When the Reaper identifies a target, the operator at a base thousands of miles away can eliminate it. It takes seconds, observing everything in real time through the drone's cameras. Let's pause here to invite you to like and subscribe to channel if you're enjoying the video so far. The Reaper's presence in Puerto Rico was no coincidence. On September 2 NDN 2025, just 2 days before the first drone was photographed, the United States carried out an airstrike against a speedboat in international waters of the Caribbean. The attack killed 11 people. Trump stated that the target was drug traffickers from the Venezuelan Tren de Aragua cartel transporting drugs. Senator Rand Paul confirmed that the attack was carried out by a drone, almost certainly an MQ-9 Reaper. The declassified video of the attack shows a missile striking the vessel from above, the signature of a Hellfire attack launched from a drone. The vessel explodes instantly. Venezuela denied the accusations, filed a complaint with the UN, and deployed 25,000 troops to its shores. But the United States didn't stop there. According to CNN, from September to November, the United States conducted at least 20 airstrikes in the region, sinking 20 vessels and killing 76 people. Sources confirmed that most of these attacks were carried out by MQ-9 Reapers operating from Puerto Rico, although some also involved F-35 fighter jets and AC-130J air support aircraft. If the MQ-9 Reaper is the hunter, the RQ-4 Global Hawk is the perfect observer. This giant drone represents the absolute pinnacle of aerial surveillance, a machine so advanced that it makes the legendary U-2 spy plane seem obsolete. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is truly massive. With a wingspan of nearly 40 meters, larger than a Boeing 737, this colossus can fly at altitudes of 18,000 to 20,000 meters, practically at the edge of space. At that altitude, it is completely beyond the range of most anti-aircraft systems and invisible from the ground. Its most impressive feature is its endurance. It can remain airborne for over 32 continuous hours, maintaining uninterrupted surveillance. Its range exceeds 22,000 kilometers, allowing it to take off from the United States, patrol over Venezuela for 24 hours, and return without refueling. The Global Hawk sensor systems are science fiction come true. It carries radars capable of penetrating clouds, storms, and total darkness. Electro-optical and infrared cameras can identify individual vehicles and people from an altitude of 20,000 meters. In a single day, it can monitor more than 100,000 square kilometers of territory. The Global Hawk transmits all this information in real time via linked satellites. Military commanders observe what the drone sees simultaneously, making decisions based on intelligence updated second by second. The United States operates 33 Global Hawks in various versions. The cost of one ranges from $60 to $75 million. But for strategic surveillance missions over hostile territories, there is no comparable alternative. Although the United States has not officially confirmed the deployment of Global Hawks over Venezuela, analysts have identified flight patterns consistent with operations over the Caribbean and northern South America. The combination of MQ-9 Reapers and RQ-4 Global Hawks creates a virtually impenetrable surveillance network over Venezuela. The Global Hawks provide the strategic panorama from high altitude, while the Reapers operate at medium altitudes with immediate strike capability. This architecture fundamentally transforms U.S. military capabilities in the region. Previously, projecting power over Venezuela would have required manned aircraft, risking pilots' lives. Now, drones operate continuously, day and night, without human fatigue. Puerto Rico has become the nerve center. The Rafael Hernandez Airport in Aguadilla serves as the main base for the MQ-9 Reapers. F-35s operate from Muniz Air Base in San Juan. This infrastructure allows for sustained long-term operations. But drones are just one part of a massive military deployment. The aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford is operating in the southern Caribbean. The Iwo Jima Amphibious Group, with embarked Marines, is conducting maneuvers near Venezuelan waters. B-1 bombers have flown missions close to the coast. Nuclear submarines are patrolling the region. The designation of the Cartel of the Suns as a foreign terrorist organization provides a legal basis for attacks within Venezuelan territory. Trump has been confirmed that this designation authorizes military operations against the regime's infrastructure. Military analysts point out that drones would be ideal platforms for initial strikes. They can penetrate hostile airspace with less risk, identify air defenses, and attack command centers before manned aircraft can engage. The deployment of these giant drones marks a turning point. They are not simply anti-narcotics tools. They are weapons of war capable of shifting the regional military balance in hours. The question is no longer whether the United States has the capacity to act, but whether Trump will give the order. Meanwhile, the Reapers and Global Hawks continue their silent missions, observing, tracking, and waiting. And that concludes our analysis of the giant drones the United States is deploying against Venezuela. If you found the true capabilities of these machines shocking and want to stay informed about military technology, geopolitics, and the conflicts shaping the world, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any future analyses. See you in the next video, where we'll continue unraveling the secrets of global military power.